Welcome back to another doll head swapping experiment. You witnessed Caroline's transformation. Now it's Sommer and Cali's turn. Whoa, that's a serious height difference. But it must be done because Sommer already has floppy knees. And I really want that articulation, so there's just no talking me out of it. Sommer has a warm brown skin tone, so I'm pretty certain that the yellow made to move body will be a good match. Yeah, I think that's as close as we're gonna get. Now Cali, on the other hand, has a cooler color. They're not the same shade of brown, but they're pretty close. This is number 133, Fashionista. It's definitely not an exact match. Let's try Puma. I'm gonna say that's a no. I think the Fashionista is our best bet. So everyone, say it with me. Off with their heads. Not you again. Here is my cup of hot water. Let's just go ahead and place a plastic bag on top. Put both dolls in the bag, which is inside the water, and leave them for a few minutes. Make sure to check it often because if it's too hot, you can start to melt the hair or even those absolutely beautiful eyelashes, and that would be a tragedy. So constantly watch it. Let's take one of them out and check. Eyelashes still look good, but no, the head is not quite soft enough. So back into the water it goes. It's been like another minute, so let's try now. Yep, I think she's ready. But before we go pulling dolls' heads off, let's learn from our last head swap and make sure the body donors are ready to go. Now that the bodies have been accounted for, let's remove her from the water, hold the neck, and work the head. There we go. Yay! All right, now we have the head off. Let's grab the body and quickly put it on. Oh, wait. We have to get rid of these little side pegs there. I'm gonna grab my wire cutters and just really quickly remove those. 1, 2. Okay, I'm gonna leave this part on this time. Last time I cut it, but I think we can leave it on. And let's put the head on. Do we need to remove that piece? It's like right at her forehead. Okay, yeah, we do have to remove it. Let's remove that much. And now we can try again. Hurry before time runs out. There we go. And no bobblehead. So yeah, awesome. No bobblehead syndrome. Whoa, the skin tone match is actually really good. It's perfect. Well, not perfect, but close to it. And I don't know if it's just the whole I'm in love with the made to move body thing, but I think she looks better on a shorter body. Well, to me anyway. There are a lot of people who love her just the way she is. Cali, you're next. Just remove the doll from the water. I feel like we've done all of this before. Check the squishiness. We are nice and squishy. Now we're going to carefully brace the neck and gently pull the head right off. When their heads are in this super squishy state, it's very easy. I don't feel like I'm gonna break or destroy anything at all, so this is awesome. Oh, wait, keep forgetting. We have to remove some of this. Remove that part right there. And we're gonna remove these little side pieces. All right, we should be good now. Let's place the head on the peg. A little bit of muscle there. Oh boy, okay, I need to hit the gym. There we go. And she's good to go. Let's do a quick eyelash check. They look good for Cali and Sommer. Now with Cali, we are not getting that perfect match, but it's very close. I mean, seriously close. Definitely something I could live with because the articulation is that important to me. Now we need to get these ladies redressed in their college attire. Excuse us, we'll just be a moment. And now, I would like to introduce to you Made to Move, Sommer and Cali. Thank you. It's the little things we take for granted, like scratching our nose, curling up in a chair, and resting your head on your hand. That is why I am truly thankful. Give the Made to Move body a hand, everyone. Give it a hand. Okay, settle down. Okay, so I just thought about the fact that these two are now a lot shorter. And I hope to eventually turn everyone else that I can into a Integrity Toys Made to Move hybrid. However, what about the guys? They are incredibly tall, standing like 13 inches. Yep, 13 inches. A little more if you're counting the hair. And our hybrids are about 11.5 inches. That's a huge difference in miniatures. So we gotta see them side by side to really understand what we've just done. All right, Nigel, can you come over here? If you don't mind, so we can see the height difference. Whoa. Sommer is a little past his shoulder, so that's not terrible. I mean, this is pretty much the height difference between me and my husband. He's like 6'1", almost 6'2", and I'm 5'4", almost. So yeah, that's about right. And if I want her to be taller, well, we can just do some fancy camera work and raise her up. Nobody has to see that. I think this is just what I needed to start our new series. So, yay! Let's get to work on Sommer and Cali. Thank you for joining us while we turned our Integrity Toys dolls into a Made to Move Integrity Toys dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!